So this is one of the most trending Canva font effect which has gained million of views on Instagram. Let's see how to create this. So first of all, let's quickly go ahead, start with a blank page and select a background color. I'll choose this one. This looks more gradient. Now I'll quickly go ahead and add a text box and write pink black on it. Just like that. I'll quickly go ahead and change the font, type impact and select this option. I'll zoom in the text and cover half of this page with this text. Increase the size, adjust it, bring it to the center. Let's quickly duplicate it by clicking on this option and select on effects. Click on hollow and adjust the font with the background effect. Now on the element section, I'll type ink pink and I'll quickly select this element, bring it to the page. To remove the background, I'll click on edit and select BG remover. The background is removed. Now our next step is to increase the speed of the video. I'll keep it 1.5. Now position it, click on layers, bring it upwards on the second position. So this is your final result. Go try it now, and this is the most easiest and the most attractive font effect that you will find today. And if you want to learn more Canva tips like this, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.